Welcome to Rekhatex, where tradition meets elegance. Introducing our festival collection, Orchid, a saree that speaks sophistication with its simple and elegant design. Crafted with premium cotton silk, this saree is designed for comfort and grace. The fabric is soft, breathable, and perfect for any special occasion. Full saree adorned with beautiful portion sequin work, adding a subtle spark to your look. "3D digital print brings a modern touch to tradition, making the saree stand out effortlessly. The pallu is finished with a fancy tussle, giving it a rich and festival look. And to complete the set, the cotton blouse features matching digital print for a seamless ensemble. Orchid saree is a timeless piece, perfect for weddings, festivals, or any celebration where you want to shine. And here's the best part, you can earn this beauty for just 1,350 plus shipping. Available for both singles and bulk orders, so grab yours before it's gone.
3, 2, 1.
Book now at 6238767242 through WhatsApp or through contact. Rekhatex, make every moment special. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.